3 of the snowstorm. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Rinse my mouth. Can I use the bathroom for a sec? Yeah. Okay, my house, so I need to go. Okay, I'm all done. Okay, I need to go shower now. Oops. Okay. Now I'm going to shave. Okay, I'm all done shaving. Now I'm gonna go get dressed, and then oh my god, it's literally still snowing. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go wake up the children. Okay, I'm gonna see how heavy the snow is getting. Ben, wake up. Oh, yeah, Mom, should I get ready for school? Oh, no, today you're not going to school. The snow is, like, heavier than yesterday, even though it's a snowstorm. Look out the window. Oh, yeah, Mom, it's heavier than yesterday. Okay, go ahead and get dressed and go to the bathroom, and I'll make breakfast. Okay, Mom. Honey, wake up. Yeah, Mom, should I get ready for school? Honey, no. Today, you're not going to school because the snow is heavier than yesterday, even though it was a snowstorm. Oh, yeah, Mom, I can see out the window. Okay, yeah. So, go get dressed and I'll go wake up the baby. Yay, I can't believe I'm not going to school today for once. Okay, I'm gonna go use the bathroom now. Now I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Rinse my mouth. Okay, now I'm gonna go take a shower. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed now. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Rinse my mouth. Wash my hands. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna go take a shower. Extra soap. Okay, now I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm so excited that I'm not going to school, so I can probably play. I don't need to pack my stuff. I'm gonna go wake up the baby. Good morning. Let's go brush your teeth. Well, the baby only has a few teeth, so I guess we have to brush your teeth. Only a little bit because you barely have teeth. Okay. Now I'm going to rinse your mouth. Okay, now I'm going to take off your diapers because they're dirty, and then I'll shower you. I will shower you. Okay, sweetie, you're all done showering. Okay, now I'm gonna take you to your room so you can change your diaper. Okay, I'm gonna put you on some clean diapers. Put on clean diapers. Okay, now I'm gonna put on your outfit. Come on, let's go have some breakfast. Everybody downstairs for some breakfast. Hey. Okay. Mom, yeah. Can we watch some news just to see if there's the storm? Okay. Okay, let me just make some quick breakfast. They have breakfast. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed their breakfast. Now let's go watch some news. Oh my gosh, look guys, on the news it says today's snow is going to be heavier and there's going to be a blizzard. Okay, yeah. Okay everyone, you can do what you want, but whatever you do, don't go in the garden or out of the house. Close your windows, okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I love you all. Bye.